In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you and teach you what is a snapshot and how we take a snapshot in VMware WorkStation or any virtualization environment. So first of all, we need to understand what exactly is a snapshot. So a snapshot, I can explain in few lines, like it's going to be a backup of the exact state where you are exactly on your virtual machines. So let me explain you with an example. I'm going to create a new file here, a text file. Let's say Talha, and I type here hello world and save this file. So you can see I have this file on desktop right here, and you can consider this as your documents or as your files in your computers. So as I right click on this one, I can see snapshot feature here, and it's showing me take snapshot or snapshot manager. So if I click on snapshot, and I'm going to tell this it's going to be Talha's files storage, and I can type any description. I created a notepad file. Okay, take snapshot. So snapshot is already taken, and if we go to the snapshot manager, you can see there is one snapshot right here, and it's showing me the description as well. So what if I delete this file? Let's say I'm going to delete this file. Shift delete. So shift delete means it's not going to be in the recycle bin, it will be directly remove, also remove from recycle bin as well. So normally if you hit delete, the file goes to the recycle bin. If you do the shift delete, that's like completely gone, but that's a bad habit, and I have that. Okay, so now I'm going to click on the snapshot and going to choose the one which was created on this date and that time. So as I click on this one, it shows me this warning message: by restoring this snapshot, the current state will be lost. So whatever I have right now will be gone. Like if I had that notepad file and I created another file, so I have the snapshot of just one file. If I have created more files, all the files will be gone from this one. So as I click yes, it's gonna take few seconds to restore, and I'm going to pause the recording. And after completing that loading bar, it restarted the virtual machine, and I can see it's restoring virtual machine state. It took like 2 minutes, and now it's back. So you can see the file I created, it's here. You can see the file is here. So that's how you recover your files or your backup from a snapshot. So in other way, you can say it's a backup of your running machine. Like you just need to click on take snapshot, and you can make another copy of your work. In case if the windows go corrupted or something happens to that machine, you can get everything back by using that snapshot feature. So in production, I would say the backup is like most important thing. If you are working in a network, the system administration post, you will see there will be no server without having a backup solution. Why? Because nowadays there are like so many ransomware attacks, so to prevent those, you need a backup solution. But this one was just for example that how you can do a snapshot and what exactly is a snapshot, how the backups works, and how you restore the files. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, and thank you so much again for your support. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next video.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.